have a family member or friend who uses a blood pressure monitor, who uses a blood glucose meter. It's really impactful to think about how to improve the usability and the experience for people when you know someone who uses these devices every day. The students start with a product, over-the-counter medical devices, something someone would buy off Amazon. They test, they disassemble, and then in the second half, now we're brainstorming redesigns. We kind of build lo-fi prototypes, cardboard, what's the screen gonna look up? They can kind of mock up a screen. And we bring in faux users. So I have staff and faculty and other BME students come in and pretend to be the user and have them interact with their ideas. They get to pick their own problems with the device. A lot of the teams end up focusing on usability when thinking about cost or the environment. Could we make these things repairable or make parts of these replaceable? They have to do a lot of independent research. So they're planning, what data am I going to collect? How am I going to collect it? How many trials do I need? Am I going to run any statistics on this results? We have to look at patents and make sure our ideas don't infringe on any patents, so we're filtering that way. We have to talk to stakeholders, so they have to interview people. It's cool that they have so much freedom and flexibility. I think that's unusual for them to have a lab where they come in and they fill their own time. The final presentation is where they present that final redesigned idea and all the details of it. So what are its dimensions? What materials is it made out of? How do you assemble it? I gave teams this year the same devices I gave last year, and they're gonna come up with completely different problems to solve, completely different things to focus on based on their interests, preference, skill sets. I get to learn a bunch of new stuff, which is really cool.